Hello, welcome to Shine Your Light. My name is Amber, and we have another new deck to open up and take a look at all of these cards. My dog Atlas is snoring in the background. You may hear that. This is the AstroMatrix Tarot, and I am excited to see this one because AstroMatrix actually has an app that I use on my phone, and they do have a website as well. I purchased this from Amazon, and the back of the box says, Introducing AstroMatrix Tarot, a fusion of diverse tarot decks harmonized by classic symbolism. The captivating deck unveils vivid and intricate modern imagery, inspiring a profound connection. Unlock hidden insights, deeper understanding of cards, 48-page guidebook, 9 unique tarot spreads to explore. Each card carries QR code for expanded insights. Astrology, crystals, chakras, and much more awaits you. Embark on transformative journey. Navigate life's intricacies with AstroMatrix Tarot's empowering wisdom. And look here. The plastic's already ripped. I didn't even have to struggle with it. So we're going to open this up. All right, this is a box with a cover. Ooh. All right. This is the inside of the box. Has their AstroMatrix symbol there. And the book is bent, but that's all right. It's just a little book here, and I believe that's probably because they have those QR codes that you can scan and get more details. It's got spreads. And they do have a short description for the cards, it looks like. All right. Scan the code to download the free AstroMatrix app and to find more information. Simple descriptions, in-depth guides and tutorials, zodiac dice, and other products. So the creators for this are Mark Lilly, Elise Osborne, and Leanne Vanderham. And the artist, I don't think I can pronounce their name, but you can read it. All right, let's take a look at the cards. They are enclosed in plastic, and this is the back of the card. So that's where they have the QR code on the back of each card, right in the middle. It's kind of built into the design, so that's actually a pretty cool way to do that, if I do say so myself. Okay, these cards are not super glossy, but they're not completely matte either. They are actually a really good size. And we start on this journey with the Fool. And I'm just going to take a look and see. Yep, all of them look like they have the same on the back, so I may need to adjust this light some. All right, I think that's a little better. So we have the Fool. Pretty cool. The Magician. High Priestess. The artwork is different. It's unique. But I do like the style, the colors. Here we have the Empress, the Emperor, Hierophant, the Lovers, Chariot. It does go along with the traditional or classic tarot, which is always kind of nice with its own unique artistic spin on it. Here we have Strength, the Hermit. That's a pretty cool card. Wheel of Fortune. Look at that. I like that. Justice. And that's pretty cool too. They've got the heart and the feather. Hanged One. Death. That's interesting. Temperance. I like that. Devil. The Tower. It's interesting. Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. That would be the picture on the box. And the World. And now we get into the elements. The Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. And 10 of Wands. The Page of Wands. It's pretty cool. The Knight of Wands. It's a very cool jacket. The Queen of Wands. Take a look at the look on her face. Woo! Do not mess with her. King of Wands. And we are into the Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Look at that face. The expressions kind of crack me up. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. And now we have the Swords, and this is the Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords. Look at that face. Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, the Page of Swords, the Knight of Swords. Even the horse has a determined look on his face. Queen of Swords, King of Swords, and now we have the Cups. Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Cups, that was a neat one, Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the King of Cups. Well, that is the AstroMatrix Tarot. And try to give it a shuffle. Oh, they shuffle nicely. Let's try it this way. They shuffle nicely that way as well. Well, let me know in the comments what you think about this deck. Let me know if you have ever used their app and what you think of it. I really like it, and I really appreciate you going through these cards with me. And until next time.